Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize title research using ATTOM, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing title research using ATTOM, navigate to the ATTOM website. Once on the home page, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up for one. After logging in, go to the dashboard where you will see various options related to your account. Select the option for Data Access or Title Research. Read through the provided information regarding title research services. To proceed, click on the Authorize button for title research. You may be prompted to enter additional information about the properties you wish to research. Fill out the necessary details, ensuring all information is accurate. Review any terms and conditions presented to you during this process. After agreeing to the terms, click on the Submit button to authorize your request. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. Check your email for a confirmation from ATTOM regarding your title research authorization. If additional verification is required, follow the instructions provided in the email. Once authorized, return to the dashboard to access your title research tools. Use the search function to locate specific properties as needed. Review the available reports and data to conduct your research. Make note of any important findings for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support for assistance. You are now ready to conduct title research using ATTOM's services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.